Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for a great product to help with your natural curls or waves, you've got to check this one out.
This is Miribel Naturals Medium Hold Flaxseed Gel. I put it in my hair and scrunch when it's soaking wet to just kind of help the natural waves that I have. And then I'll keep scrunching my hair as it naturally air dries. I love this gel because of how lightweight it is. The super light, refreshing scent that is not in any way overpowering. And I love the ingredients. I feel really good about using them in my hair. So I was super excited to find this. I was looking for a gel to just kind of help those little natural waves that I have along, and I find that it really air dries awesome. I'll keep scrunching it and maybe just add a little bit more when it's damp if I feel like I need it. But overall, I'm really happy with this product, and I think that it helps me to have really fun beachy waves. I think it's such a great option if you're looking for something similar to use in your hair.
But that's just my point of view.